Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to get the Twitter Blue Verified checkmark. So first of all, you need to make sure you're running the latest version of the Twitter app. Once updated, open up Twitter app on your device, and then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. From here, tap on Twitter Blue right over here. Next, click on this subscribe button to make the purchase. Now you're all set. Your purchase was successful. Click on the next button. Again, click on Next, and then tap on Let's Go. Now let's go back and tap on the profile icon. Here you can see, I now have the verified tick right next to my name. If I head over to my profile, you can also see it right over here. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one. That's it.